this is question number 4. It's exercise 7a, book 2, 8th edition. If Q is directly proportional to P and Q is equals to 28 when P is equals to 4, part 1 is express Q in term of P, 2 is find the value of Q when P is equals to 5, and part 3 is calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. So now we are solving over here. I have written the question, and what is given in the question? Q, the value of Q is equals to 28 and the value of P is 4, and they are directly proportional to each other. It's mean Q is directly proportional to P. So if we will find out the value of P, so you know I have told you in the last question as well, to remove the sign of proportionality. This is the sign of proportionality, and in order to remove this sign we have to use is equals to K, where K is the constant. जब हम K की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे तो बाकी चीज़ें हम इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Value of P, so I am writing P over here. So what is given? The value of Q is given. सबसे पहले हमें इस constant की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि हम बाकी पार्ट सॉल्व कर सकें. So find out the value of K, we have to put the value of Q and P. So the value of Q is 28. K will write as it is, and the value of P is given over here 4. I have written the values of Q and P, and K is as it is. And to find out K, I have to make K as a subject. K को हम subject बनाएंगे is equals to 28 is over here. Again मैंने as it is लिख दिया, and 4 is multiplying with K over here. On the other side जब उसको उस तरफ move करेंगे, so it would be divided by 4. And if we will simplify, so we'll get the value of K is equals to 7. Now we have found out the constant K value, and we have to put the value and find out the equation in term of Q and P. So Q is equals to K P, and Q is equals to, the value of K is given 7P. Q is equals to 7P. So this is our part 1. Now move to part 2. Find the value of Q when P is equals to 5. हमें Q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है जबकि P की वैल्यू गिवन है और हमारे पास कांस्टेंट भी ऑलरेडी गिवन है, K is equals to 7. So I am using the same equation. Q is equals to KP. Q is equals to KP. Now the value of constant K is, I know 7. The value of P I know is 5. In place of P I am writing 5, and value of Q I have to find out. Q is equals to, you know, 7 5s are 35. So the value of Q is equals to 35. Now move to the second part. Calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. Here we have to find out the value of P, and Q is given. So Q is equals to KP. We know that the constant value is 7. K is equals to 7 over here, and the value of Q is given 42. See here, so I am writing 42 in place of K, and the value of P we have to find out. So we'll write as it is. Now 7 is multiplying by P over here. If we'll shift to this side, it would be divided, and we have to make P as a subject. And if we simplify, we'll get 6. So the value of P is equals to 6. So this was question number 4. Thanks for watching my video.